Okay, just got the new bars installed. Look at that. Over here at Cartel Baggers in Roselle, First Avenue. Those bars look great on there. They put the bolts in for me with a windshield. I got the windshield at the house. Put the headlight back in, button everything up. I sat on this thing, man, and those bars feel so comfortable. Way better than the stock bars that come on here. Eventually, I'm gonna relocate those signal lights down to the forks. I think I'm gonna have to do that with the windshield anyway. But I'm super happy with those bars. Super happy. So I just gotta put my headlight back in. Ready to go. Getting there.